Hello, in this video we're going to show you how you can grow your money. We have a simple 3-step system. Step number 1, we find the best shares in the world. Step 2, we identify the shares when they are great value at a low price. Step 3, we choose companies that give us a rental income. The secret of success is a combination of the 3 steps: quality, price, and rental income. Since 1792, we can buy shares in the New York Stock Exchange. With these shares, we can sell call options at the CBOE since 1973, which we use to buy more shares, out of which we can get more income in an endless loop, compounding all the time. We'll explain how your account value will expand over time. Let's imagine that we have 1,000 shares. We can get call income from them, with which, let's say, we can buy 100 shares more. Now we have 1,100 shares to generate call income from, and with that income we can buy even more shares. The more shares we have, the more call income we can get, and the more shares we can buy. At the same time this cycle with calls takes place, there's another cycle with dividends. Some shares pay dividends. We can buy more shares with these dividends, and the compounding effect continues taking place. For accounts above 25,000, this compounding effect also happens with put options. We make money 4 ways: increasing share price, call income, dividends, and put income. We use the income from calls, puts, and dividends to buy more shares and tap into the power of compound interest. Find us at Empowered Supernova and www.ticn.ie. For more information, contact us at ana@ticn.ie, ana@ticn.ie. Thank you. Check My First Million, available at Amazon and also at lulu.com. Thank you.